Hello, everybody. Quick story time before I leave, real quick. All right. So I think one of my most embarrassing moments in my life. So this had happened. This is a story about the most one of the most embarrassing moments of my life. So this would happened my senior year in high school. Um, so what had happened was, let me go you like 2 days before what had happened. All right, in 2 days, 2 days. No, no, no. Let me go for a week. A week we had like a presentation. Like teacher had introduced oh, you gotta pick a world issue and then present at it. Present your world issue, you know. And I think I picked global poverty. I think I picked poverty. I'm not sure. It's either poverty or immigration, maybe like that. I picked one of those two, so I picked those two. I start working on it. Feel me? So you know, the day comes when we have to, present, right? And then I don't go the first day. I go the second day. Since like my last name's you know how to be the last name be go first and shit. So yeah. All right. So my last name and then before she even called my name, I was like, yeah, I got this, bro. Cause I just seen my friend do it. He made it look easy. I was like, there's no way I can you feel me? I'm gonna get this over with. And then the teacher calls my name. Boom. I get over there. I stand in front of the class. And then as soon as I stand in front of the class, it felt like my mind just went blank. Even though I had the notes in my hand, cause we could have like the notes on our phone. I had the notes on my phone, but my head just like went blank for some reason. So the first slide, right, is like, oh, the title. I was like, instead of reading the title, I was like, yo, so this is my title. I was like, yeah. Yo, and I remember it's just like, oh my days. So I said this is my title. I go on to the second slide and just imagine everything that could go wrong in a presentation was going wrong, bro. Like it was to the point where I wanted to walk out the class. Like it was actually so bad, dude. It was you would think I was one of the the people who ride yeah, the extra small buses. The way I was talking, dude, I was just like bumbling, like I couldn't say words straight, and keep in mind, I had the notes on my phone, but the words looked like it almost like it didn't look like words to me. It looked like I don't know, just the way I don't know, bro. It was just crazy, bro. But I'm going through the slides. I'm trying my best, and then I just hear my friends get just laughing their asses off, which is making it worse, making my freaking anxiety worse. So I'm just keep bubbling like a freaking idiot, dude. Oh my days. But yeah, I finally get the presentation done with, and then I sit down, and then I just leave. I just take my backpack and just leave the. No, no, I didn't leave. After no, no, no. After all the presentation, feel me? I took my backpack. Was the first one to get out of that room, bro. The first one to get out of that room. And this was senior, so I had a half day. So I pretty much skipped the whole all the other classes after that. I probably Yeah, I skipped. Yeah, most of the classes I skipped because I was just, oh my days, it was so embarrassing. But yeah, All right, that's it.